Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
A Netmirror host error means the client cannot connect to its mirror server. Start by confirming basic networking. Ping the server from the client using its hostname and IP address. Check DNS resolution and verify the client resolves the server to the correct IP. Open the local host's file and confirm there are no conflicting entries. Finally, inspect the Netmirror service on both ends. Confirm the service is running and not paused or disabled. Use ping tests, traceroute, and DNS lookup to reveal connectivity and routing issues. Run traceroute to identify any hops that block traffic between the client and server. On both machines, review firewall rules and ensure the Netmirror service port is allowed through inbound and outbound filters. Verify the service account credentials used by Netmirror on the server. Confirm that the account has read and write permissions on the mirror folders and files. Restart the Netmirror service on both server and client, and then reboot the client for a clean retry. Modify firewall rules to explicitly allow the Netmirror traffic and remove any blocking rules. Correct any DNS errors or host's file mismatches so the client points to the correct server IP. If credentials or permissions were changed, reapply them and grant proper folder access. Validate success by performing a manual mirror pull, reviewing logs for no errors, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.